Which is the best face wash that you should be going for to get rid of your pimples, to get rid of your blackheads and also your whiteheads? Now you might be getting confused looking into the market. There are so many products: Cetaphil, Dermaco, Mama Earth. There are so many products. Which products should you be using? Well, hello, this is Dr. Niranjan Samani. Here I'm back with a new video on my YouTube channel, new medical content. I'm here to solve all your problems. So kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button and also follow me on Facebook, Insta and Twitter. Instagram particularly, the link is in the description box. Without delaying any more time, straight to the topic. It's not about what the product you choose, but definitely you need to see the ingredients, which contains 0.5 to 5% salicylic acid. This contains anti-inflammatory properties and this will be getting your acne down. Now there are many reasons for acne, as I told you in my previous videos where I tell the reasons for acne may be PCOD, hormone imbalance or thyroid. So that need to be tackled first and then going for the face wash. But if you personally ask me which brand that you must go for, I'm not again promoting, but Dermaco. The Dermaco or the Mama Earth is something which really has been giving favorable results according to me. So you can go for that, or else any other products that you would want to go which is suitable for your skin type, containing 0.5 to 5% salicylic acid, and also because this contains anti-inflammatory properties. So I hope I've answered the question. Now you know what to buy or where to go, and I'll be coming back with a new video on my YouTube channel tomorrow. Again, subscribe the channel. In the end, I want to tell one thing, that is, eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. Until my new video comes, bye bye.